Hey guys, so we're still working on this problem sheet. We're down onto video number 3. Now you can see here, if I drag this off onto the other screen, we're onto there. We can see our other parts. So if you do want to open those up to have a double check they're right, you can. And that's simply just by clicking on them, or double clicking on them, double left clicking on them, and they're fine, ready to go. But right now we need to go new. So if I exit out of this again, it'll send me back to that screen. If I go new, metric, standard millimeters, create. And we're working on number 3, so this one's actually quite a different one. We're actually going to have to cut a block out of it. So you can see here, there's no way I can draw an L shape and extrude it all the way through. So I can't extrude it that 30 all the way through. I actually need to make the rectangular prism and then cut that little block out. So this is actually a little bit more difficult than the previous ones. So there we go, start 2D sketch, click on that top face. Cutting out though as well, as you'll see in videos coming up, is actually a really important skill to be able to know. So now I can go to rectangle instead of line because I am making a rectangular shape. And if I make that end profile, it's going to be 20 by 50. So we'll go actually 50 there, 50, tab 20, enter, and we've got that there. As I pointed out before as well, we are going to be extruding this 30mm, so we need to do that first. 30, enter. Okay, so now we've got our rectangular prism. Now we need to cut out a 20 by 10 square out of the top of this. So if I left click on the top here, go to the 5th option over, I can go sketch. So now all I need to do is click the rectangle tool, drag it over here, and remember, like I said, you can see it on the picture, it's 20, and then I'm going to type tab and then do 10. Right click, OK. So now we've got a complete rectangle there. I can go to 3D model, extrude, and you can see there it still wants to extrude out. This other option down here, so true or false Boolean value, is cut, and we don't want to cut all the way through though. So we can see here on this drawing, we only want to cut it 10mm down. So what we can do for that, we're going to change this to 10. And then go OK, and then I think this has the same angle as the other one. Whoa. Oh, if you can't tell, that'll work. Cool. And so now you can see, if I drag this over a little bit, number 3 there matches our drawing there quite well. So now if I go up the top, and we're going to press save that as part 3, and we are good to go. So hopefully this helped you with some of the basics, and we'll be moving on to part 4.